I have to work today. You have a meeting tonight. Let's ride bikes first.
We're so hungry, we can't walk.
Looks delicious. Thanks, Parsley. That was good. Really good. Delicious, in fact. I feel you, bro. I carry my camera around everywhere, too. It's sort of a daytime show today. It's not even a show, it's a rehearsal for something in a couple days. It's gonna be a lot of me pressing buttons and yeah, mostly pressing buttons, I think. Good to be back in Denver. Let me tell you what. So this thing turned from a little lighting gig into like recording and lighting this whole show. I'm not complaining. It's cool.
Just getting a quick car wash. And I have a meeting, and then I have a date with a bicycle and my baby.
I didn't film any of that. You'll see what it's like in a couple days. Get excited now.
I ain't even got a scam. Meeting is adjourned. We're gonna take a bike ride to get some food.
You heard the lady. We're taking a bike ride to get some food.
Yeah, we're riding our bikes too.
Yeah, Nickelback is riding their bikes too. No. Whole Foods is like super nice. Chipotle is the Nickelback.
Chipotle isn't Nickelback. Don't be mean to Chipotle.
Don't be mean to Nickelback. No, I'm just kidding. I don't like them, but I guess I respect it in the sense that I respect everything else that I don't like. What do you don't like that you respect? She's gonna make it. She'll be alright. My mouth is dry.
Made it to Whole Foods. Oh, I thought I was gonna freaking throw up. Angie just texted and said, Chris has had the Whole Foods song stuck in his head all day. We're here.
We're gonna do exactly what we did last night.
Creatures, man.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Fix that for me.
Got it.
Good, how are you? Can I get a couple of hanger steaks? Maybe just not that really dark one. Oh yeah.
I think he's kind of wandering over by you. I think he's lost.
You say got the booty? You say got the booty? Oh, yes.
Bye.
It's a nighttime now. Wish us luck, because it's a nighttime.
Oh, they're cuddling. Oh, yeah. This looks familiar. Hang a steak. Laid steak.
Late steak.
Laid steak. That's great. Early morning, she wakes up with a knock, knock, knock on the door.